Open for Vintage is on a mission to accelerate the movement towards a sustainable fashion future and become the world's leading pre-owned luxury platform. Consumers are rapidly embracing this movement, with second-hand luxury growing 4 times faster than the new primary market. In this £19 billion market that's projected to grow to £40 billion by 2023, Open for Vintage connects customers with one of the largest selections of pre-owned luxury goods online, from brands including Chanel, Hermes, and Louis Vuitton. We are passionate about supporting independent business and exclusively sell on behalf of independent specialist boutiques and websites, ensuring customers have access to the highest quality authenticated merchandise in the market. Our expert boutique partners take care of everything from product authentication to order shipment, so Open for Vintage have no need for overheads like warehouses or fulfillment teams, a significant competitive advantage. Already, Open for Vintage has attracted 94% positive feedback from hundreds of customers on reviews.com and has been featured across international media including Marie Claire, The Telegraph, and Vogue. With our powerful automated platform now connecting more than £50 million of the finest merchandise from our global boutique network, we are ready to bring Open for Vintage to the world's fashion community. Join us at this exciting moment and become part of the Open for Vintage movement towards a sustainable fashion future.